All of the background musics in this video will be generated by AI. I want you to comment me down below, do you like them or not? This video is going to be truly musical. So let's get started that how you can also generate these kind of cool musics. 2 days ago, Facebook made their mind to open source and make a model available for free. This model is capable of generating AI music. The name is MusicGen. If you want to understand more about it, then I definitely recommend you to use Microsoft Edge. Go to this Bing AI, which is basically GPT-4. What I like the most about Bing AI GPT-4 is that it can read the current website and it can help you to understand what's in the current website. Well, this is how you will prompt it. I want you to read the current website and provide me a clear-cut summary. Make sure you're in the current website and then you open this Bing AI, press on this discover button. See, it's replying me what's in the current website. Current web page context is about AudioCraft, a library for audio processing and generation with deep learning. It features the state-of-the-art encodec audio compressor tokenizer along with MusicGen, a simple and controllable music generation LM with textual and melodic conditioning. Basically, it is explaining me in a highly technical way. So, can you simplify the summary and tell me what is the significance of all this? Well, it replied me, the web page context is about a software tool that can make and change sounds using AI. It can create music from words or melodies, and it can compress or improve the quality of audio files. That's it. It is called AudioCraft and it has two main components, MusicGen, and MusicGen is a way of generating music that matches a given style, mood or theme. The web page tells you how to install and use AudioCraft. Now tell me, how do I use this application to generate cool musics? So what it's doing is basically it is reading this information inside of this website and it will reply me. Look, it's giving me step-by-step instructions. According to the current web page, there are several ways. Run the Jupyter notebook at demo.ipynb locally or use the provided Colab notebook. Use the Gradio demo locally by running python app.py. Use the Facebook MusicGen Hugging Face space online, that is another way. Use the Google Colab notebook by Camenduru that combines the MusicGen Gradio demo with Google Colab. We are going to use this Camenduru option because you know my PC is potato. I don't have a GPU. I'm going to use this Google Colab notebook because apparently this application needs a GPU of 16 GB. Look, we recommend 16 GB of memory, but smaller GPUs will be able to generate short sequences. Google Colab is perfect because it actually offers 16 GB of GPU. Well, all I'll recommend you is to basically go to this Camenduru Colab. Let me actually type in Camenduru GitHub. I don't need this AI anymore. I'll use it for asking it for prompt later on when I launch my application website. I'll paste a link to this GitHub repo which contains that collab. You just have to go to this link and click on this open in collab. Okay, there has been some interesting development. Now you can actually see multiple collab. I recommend you to open in collab for MusicGen long collab. Why? Because with this collab, you'll be able to generate like 5-minute music instead of just the usual 30 seconds. Really a big move on Facebook's part that they have made this amazing tool open source and now it even supports 5-minute music. Oh my goodness. Tech is incredible. That Pokemon guy was right. Anyway, well, as you can see, I did generate some 5-minute music. Well, there is a little bit bug in this picture, but it plays smoothly. Well, it's 5 minutes. All of the settings that I am discussing should be same, just that the duration you can increase up to 300 seconds or 5 minutes using this long collab. And one thing, let me tell you, there are some two settings here and there like overlap and seed. You can always use that Microsoft Edge method and ask GPT-4 or ChatGPT how they work. Definitely you can do it, but let me tell you straight what I know about seed. Every time you generate a music, there will be a seed. And if you take that seed and put it here and with the same prompt, that is the same text, same model, same duration, same overlap, same settings, you are going to get the same result every single time. This is actually pretty common if you know how to use stable diffusion. It's pretty much like that there as well. Well, you can now follow along. And Here I am. All you have to do is just run this cell. You can use Control Enter. If you hover on it, it's already saying I'm going to use Control Enter, or click here on this play icon, which will execute this code, then run anyway. And it will gonna take some time to get everything set up. Basically, if you don't know, Colab is a free Google computer that is so generous that it provides you with some GPU so that you can run AI applications on it. Basically, it's a way to run Python code. We will assume that it's mostly useful for AI stuffs and all. You can also access Bing AI, then just click on this refresh button and ask it. Well, I just copied and pasted this code and asked it what's happening. Now you can see it answered. The code you entered is a series of commands that are executed in the Colab notebook. The first command changes. It's basically technical stuffs are happening. What basically happens is it launches the music generator application. Yes, it's done. All you have to do here is go to this running on public URL, click on this link after it's done. Okay, this is the demo for MusicGen. Now I'll input a text. I don't know what kind of prompt I should use, so I'm going to use Bing AI once more. I'll click on this new topic. This current website will generate me music using MusicGen. Can you come up with some prompt examples? I didn't like the prompt examples. I want you to come up with more prompt examples. Lol, as you can see, I'm using AI to generate a prompt and using that prompt in AI to generate an AI music. I'll basically, how do I copy this? Yeah, I'll just drag it and input it here. I will choose the large model. Basically, there are several models that you can choose from. I'm going to choose the large model, which is most accurate. Then I'm going to set the duration to 30. I'm not sure what these top K, top P, temperature, classifier, free guidance are. So I'll basically ask AI, what are these? Can you explain me how should I use top K, top P and temperature and classifier free guidance? Look, it's answering me. It's actually searching this time for top K, top P, temperature. What are these? Okay, these are all technical. Now I'll ask GPT-4, can you simplify them and explain me what they do in a few sentences? Top K lets you choose how many options to consider for the next note or sound in the music. Fewer options mean more predictable music. More options mean more varied music. So as I increase top K, I'm going to get creative result. Top K lets you choose how likely options are for the next note or sound in the music. Less likely options mean more surprising music. More likely options mean more consistent music. So if I increase top P, I'll get more consistent music. Higher temperature means more equal chances for all options. Lower temperature means more preference for some options over the other. So if I have high temperature, it will be more creative with choosing which kind of sounds it will pick. If I put down the temperature, let's say I make it 0, then AI will try to be more consistent. It will maintain that consistency. And classifier free guidance lets you use an extra tool to make sure the music matches the description. As you increase the CFG, the more attention AI will pay to your text to generate the song. What I'll do now is just choose this large model and I'll put on submit. It takes a little bit of time to generate. Let's just wait and watch. In the meantime, you can just scroll down and read all the details. More details like melody is a spatial model that will allow you to actually use a music to generate your music. I'm actually gonna do that. I'm going to pick up some music. Let me listen to it and pick up. It's running in the background, our generation. I'll be putting this atmosphere majesty, this music. I'll see how the AI will try to generate something similar to this. Okay, seems like our music is generated. I'll press on this download button. Now that's cool. That was a really cool. I want you to be experimenting with these kind of stuffs. It's really cool. I generated a 30 seconds music. Well, that sounded pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is put all of this music as the background music for this video. I'm going to generate some more and combine them together, and every 30 seconds I'll set a new background music. Now what I'll do, I'll basically upload my music. It's not my music, it's Atmosphere Majesty. That's Pokemon Reborn's music related to Glitchx City. I uploaded this music. Now I'm going to choose melody, majestic music. I'm not sure how this will work. So I'm using text plus this music to generate a new music. Let's see how it works. 30 seconds as it is said, and I'll press on submit. The music has been generated. Let's hear it. Man, I got really good result. It sounds little similar to the music I uploaded, but hey, that's really great, right? I'm done with everything. The next step that I must do is go to this Music Colab. It is running, as you can see, the application. You can basically see the logs, what's happening behind the hood. If you go to this Google Colab page, now you have to go to this place, which is additional connection option. Just click on this downward facing triangle, then disconnect and delete runtime, and press on yes to disconnect this runtime, because we don't want to be wasting Google's resources. Google actually gives you 3 hours a day per account. I've already talked about this in my Stable Diffusion video. Per account, you get 3 hours of runtime. 3 hours you can use Google Colab per account per day. If you want to use it more, then you need to basically press add another account and log into multiple different accounts. Anyway, that will be it for today. I'm going to put off my earphone, and this is it. If you like this kind of content, then definitely you know what you have to do. Anyway, I'll see you later. Thanks a lot for watching it till the end. I hope you found this useful. Have a nice day.